Hello everyone, welcome to the one topic in 3 minutes. In this time, I would like to explain the one topic. This topic is very important in the modern life. What is that? This one, okay? Laptop. Laptop have a lot of benefits. The first one is education tools. In education, many students use laptop. The first one, including like size, complete the assessment. The next one is maybe attend the online class, and the next one is to get the information, to get the ebook and research method maybe. Yeah, only, yeah, I think that's a lot of benefit of the education tools. The next one in, I think, is communication media. What is that? Communication media is including mm, like sending emails, okay, video calls with the customer, okay, or make a content creator like that, and yeah, a lot of function of the laptop in the real life. And the next one in increase world's productivity. What is that? I think they have a lot of function. The first one is process, document, and data. Okay, the next one maybe create the report, and the next one to make the online meeting, and the next one maybe the run professional software application. Okay, and I think the next one benefit of this laptop is a source of the information. What is that? Like, you get the information from me, right? From social media. Okay. Okay. If you watch my video with the laptop, yeah, you get the information what I say right now. Okay. You get the bad news, good news. Okay. And yeah, I think anything we get a lot of the function of the laptop. Okay, so the next one is, I think, support of the creativities. What is that? Like, if you have a laptop, you can make design graphic. Okay, design graphic. Okay, the next one is maybe you make the write the article, and the next one is video editing, and next one, maybe you can you can make the new idea with if you have a laptop. Okay, so the next one is maybe you have some experience. Yes, experience if you want to make something, and if you have a laptop, you can do that, right? Okay, so laptop is a lot of benefit in the real life. All right. So the another example benefit of this laptop is like entertainment media. Okay. What is meant? The mean is like you can listening the music. Okay, listening the music, playing the game, and maybe you want to streaming, right? Streaming videos. Okay. And the last one, not the last, the so many benefit of the laptop, but I don't have time to all of that. I just talking what I know right now, what I remember right now, the function of this laptop. Okay, so the last one, maybe I think to support the business. Like example, if you have an online shop, laptop can managing the online shop. And the next one maybe to make the videos, marketing content, and the next one is to handles the input the your data in business. We don't know. And of course, the last one to communication with the customer. Okay, so only that for today. Thank you and see you on the one topic in 3 minutes. God bless you.